In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook password without using your old password. If you forgot your current password or can't log into your account, Facebook allows you to reset it using your email address or phone number connected to the account. First, open the Facebook app and go to the login screen. Tap on Forgotten Password below the login fields. Facebook will then ask you to enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. After entering your information, tap Find Account. Facebook will show your account and give you options to receive a verification code through email or SMS. Choose the option you prefer and tap Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it on the screen to verify your identity. After verification, Facebook will allow you to create a new password for your account. Type your new password, confirm it, and tap Continue. Your password will now be updated, and you'll be able to log into your account using the new password. And that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook password without the old password. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.